Hey guys, it's me, Miss Mills, and the whole point of this video is to show y'all an online resource that I have for you and how to use it. What I'm going to go over today is the links PowerPoint. This PowerPoint I gave to you on the very first day of school, and I wanted you to go through it and try to find all the links, and once you were finished with that, to mark as done. Now, I know some of y'all just went ahead and went in and clicked marked as done before you actually went through any of the PowerPoint, if you went through the PowerPoint at all. So, the point of this video is going to be just a quick thing on how to utilize this PowerPoint and how you can use it for the whole year. So let me do something real quick. All right. So here's the PowerPoint. It looks a little bit different from what y'all see it. Since I actually own it, I can edit it, but y'all would see something along the lines of this as well. So the first link I want y'all to look at is this thing called the weekly agenda. It says August 26th to August 28th. So this will be the agenda for your first week of school. So I'm going to go ahead and click this. And I'm going to click down here where it says Open Preview. And would be a preview of the weekly agenda. This is exactly what I want you to do each week. Now, you will have access to my lesson plans and what is expected of you each week on Facebook. Mr. Griffin would post that on Facebook every Sunday or Monday. But here is a way for you to look at the weekly agenda just for my class in Google Classroom every single week. So the weekly agenda will change every single week starting on Monday. So you can always get into this links PowerPoint and it'll show you exactly what you need to do each week. That is the only thing on the PowerPoint that should actually change. Everything else is going to be the exact same. So the next link is going to be Clever. So I'm going to click on Clever real quick. And here's Clever. You would type in your school name and you would log in. The whole point of Clever is to, once you get on Clever, you have access to everything from iExcel to any other resource you would need to for any other class. So even if you're wanting to do something for Miss Hallen's class and you're already in my class, you can just go ahead and get on this links PowerPoint, click on Clever, and move on with your life. The other thing that I have access to is right here. It is the 7th and 8th grade math reference sheet. The whole point of this reference sheet is because y'all will have access to this during every single test, and you will have access to the sheet during K-Prep at the end of the year. I just want y'all to have that sheet, so if you ever need help remembering formulas and things like that, you always have access to that the whole school year. Now, I understand some of the tests that I'll give you, this reference sheet will be completely useless, and that is totally okay. You don't have to use it. It's just a resource for you if you want it. The next thing on this page is the Desmos calculator, and that's this link right here. So I would click it. I'm going to have to make this smaller to click it. And you would click the Desmos calculator. This is a calculator you will be using for the school year if you don't have a scientific calculator of your own. It does all of the same things, and you can use this calculator on any of your work, and you can use this calculator during K-Prep as well. So that is also always available to you. The only time I wouldn't allow you to use the calculator is when I specifically tell you I don't want you using it. But unless I tell you that, then it's free range. Please use the calculator. It is a resource for you. Now, the last thing on this page is just a little click of me. You can click on me and you would learn a little bit about me. This one is not as important as just if you wanted to get to know your teacher, this was a way to do it. Again, I can just do this real quick. Some of y'all already read this, so it's not that big of a deal. I went over some of my history. I'm a first year teacher, so I just went ahead and stopped at my college education at Murray State. Here is me in the itty bitty hat. Here is my twin sister. Her name is Miss Mills. And then this is my older sister. Her name is also Miss Mills. They're both pretty cool. They're both 8th grade social studies teachers, so I'm the oddball being the math teacher. And over here is another picture of me. This was taken on my birthday like 2 years ago. And this is my cat Scooter. He's kind of the love of my life. Here Down here it says the 3 things I'm thankful for. The first week of school, I made y'all do the same thing, so I was like, you know what, I might as well tell everyone what I'm thankful for too. And it's just basically my huge family. I love my big extended family. I love lake days, and I like Mexican food. So that's the things I'm always going to be thankful for my whole life. Now, the last thing on this PowerPoint is the second slide. This is the Miss Mills' Math Time. This is a YouTube channel I've made for y'all. And here's the thing about this YouTube channel. It is just a resource. It is not mandatory for you to subscribe to my channel. It is not mandatory for you to even watch any of the videos. It is just another way to access the videos of me doing math work on the background or just doing examples. I'll have multiple videos throughout the year if you need help. Now, if you don't need help with the math, of course you don't have to watch the videos. The videos will also be on Google Classroom, so the only way you would use this channel is if you didn't want to go on Google Classroom to see a video. It would just be an easy way to get to my channel right here and find the videos that way. This link particular goes to my very first video that I put on there, so you would have to actually maneuver once you got to the YouTube channel. If I change that, I will tell y'all, but at this point in time, that link just goes to my first YouTube channel or my first YouTube video. That's everything about the links PowerPoint. If y'all have any questions about that, y'all can feel free to please talk to me, email me, communicate with me on Google Classroom or on the Infinite Campus. It's up to you. I will always get back to you as soon as I can. I think that's it for this video. I hope y'all have a great day. It's a beautiful day, and I can't wait to see y'all in person. I'll see y'all later.